There we go. You can see that we're getting that colour coming out. Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I'm going to start working on the products I got in my most recent BeeBeeCraft haul where I looked at some festive products. I will pop a link up in the eye to that original unboxing so that you can go and check out all of the products that I got in that haul. So today I'm going to be working on this stencil. I've got lots of different ideas of how to use the stencil, as you may have seen if you've already watched that unboxing. However, today I'm gonna use my airbrush kit, which came from Nerdy Crafter, and I'm gonna have a go at making a festive tote bag that could be used instead of wrapping gifts. So come along on this journey with me and we'll see how we get on. Right. I'm going to use this cardboard, the protective cardboard that came with the stencil, and I'm going to put that inside the bag. This is just a plain canvas or cotton tote bag. You can buy blanks from lots of different hobby stores. So there's lots of opportunities for finding a blank, or you may already have a blank lying around that you don't need and want to repurpose. So I've got the cardboard inside there, and then we're going to put our stencil over the top. I think am I going to stick it down? I don't think I'll need to stick it down. I think it will be okay, but if it does move around on this occasion, then if I have a second go, maybe I'll tape it down with some masking tape or some washi. Just making sure that that's in the middle of the bag, like so. Right. If you've seen my unboxing of the Nerdy Crafter kit, again, I will pop links up in the eye. Then you will have seen me use these before. But they come with jacquard paints, which are pre-diluted, ready for use with the airbrush. I guess the first thing to check is, does my airbrush have any charge? It does. Fabulous. Otherwise, I'd have to pause this recording and go and charge the airbrush. And I don't have to do that. So this is a cordless airbrush, which means much less fuss, much less worry about anything, and it comes with two different sizes of pot. I'm going to use the small one. It just screws in there. So paint goes in there, comes out there. I think I'm going to go fairly traditional. I'm going to start with a green. You can mix these colours. So, but we'll just go fairly standard to start with and see what happens. So, turn it on. And then we've got this button here that controls the pressure. I'm just going to grab a tissue. We'll have a little... There we go. You can see that we're getting that colour coming out. I'm trying to avoid anywhere that I might want to put some yellow. And when you can hear that sound change, that means it's run out of paint. So we can stop it and pop some more paint in. I'm going to go a bit more green, but also I'm going to pop in a little bit of yellow as well, just to get some different shades. We'll see how that comes through. you really can just be quite experimental with this. There you can see the green comes out a different colour now. This is certainly a really quick way of getting your stencil design down on paper. There we go. On we go again. Right, there we go. It's great if you've got lots to do, if you've got several gifts that you want to make in one day. This is a really nice way of doing it. So now I'm going to set this to one side, let it dry, and then I will show you the results. Okay, so we've had about 20 minutes of drying time. I'm now going to lift this off. So wish me luck. 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. I'm quite pleased with that. Now I am going to leave this to dry completely, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to jazz it up even more. Okay, so we're all dry now, but I want to add a little bit more bling. You could use any glue that you like. I like to use the Crystal Art Magic Glue because it is specifically designed for gluing crystals, and it provides a tacky basis for you to stick them onto. I'm going to grab my spare stash of sparkles and have a look at what we've got. So one thing I have got is some stars. Change of plan. I've got these, and I think if we do 5 of these, we can do that top star. And so here we are, it's all finished. I'm quite pleased with it. I think it's going to make a great alternative to wrapping paper, and I'm definitely going to get hold of a few more blanks and have a go at a few more designs. Obviously I could have carried on for hours and hours blinging this up, but I just wanted to give you an example of what is possible. Obviously, do be aware that if you make something like this, it's going to need to be cared for gently. So hand washing and a cool iron on reverse if you iron it at all. But yeah, I'm really pleased with this. I will pop details for the stencil down below. All of the diamonds I've used are just spares that I had left over from previous projects, so that hasn't cost me a penny. And of course the Nerdy Crafter kit came with the airbrush, so I already had that as well, although you can pick them up online if you look for cordless airbrush kits. So I hope you've enjoyed this today, something a little bit different from me, but I'm hoping to share more festive crafts with you over the month of December. Let me know if you fancy having a go, or what ideas you've got for using the Christmas tree stencil from BeeBeeCraft. As always, if you want to get hold of the items from BeeBeeCraft, you can do so using my code, which is on screen now, to save yourself an extra little bit of money. Thank you to everybody that supports this channel. If you're not already a subscriber, please do consider to subscribe. It costs you nothing and it makes a huge difference to the channel and to me. Thank you to my Patreon supporters. You mean the absolute world. And with that being said, I'm going to leave this here. So until next time, stay crafty.